Just a quick little introduction in using OBS Studio to do screen capture and recording. I'm going to open up OBS Studio, which is this installed application I've got here. If you don't have it, you can get it. It's free. You can download it anywhere. And once you've opened up OBS, you'll be met with a window like this one. It will have no scenes in it, and you can pretty much ignore them if you're only doing screen capture. This is for flicking between different monitors or modes, but the only thing we're interested in to get started here is by adding a recording source. I'm going to click the add button. I'm going to select display capture. It will ask you to name this new source. That's fine. I'm going to leave it at display capture, and then I'm going to select one of my monitors that I want to do the capture work on. So I've selected my primary monitor, and I can set OK, and I know that I've now got the ability to record whatever is on the screen in front of me here. So I could just start recording, but before we do that, I want you to head into the settings menu, go to output, and I want you to just set a couple of changes here in the outputs. By default, the recording format will be set to MKV, and it'll be much easier for us to work on Teams and for smaller file sizes if you select MP4 instead, MPEG-4 if you've got the most recent version of OBS. And then make sure you set a recording path for where you want your videos to be stored. Try not to set this locally. Use one of the OneDrive locations that we use in college. Alright, once that's set up, you've got MPEG-4, you've got your file destination set. All you have to do is press to start recording, and it will now record this video that you can open up your levels, record whatever it is you want to do, and when you're done, just hit to stop recording. And once your video has played, you will have it come up in wherever your saved videos location is, and here is me just playing that video that I just made.